Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant VAN6 error on Windows 11. First, you should restart your computer. This refreshes Riot Vanguard, which is the anti-cheat software Valorant uses. If the error continues, you should reinstall Riot Vanguard. To do this, open the control panel and go to Programs. Find Riot Vanguard in the list, then uninstall it. After that, open Valorant. The game will automatically download and reinstall Vanguard when it starts. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that Valorant and Riot Vanguard are allowed to connect through Windows Firewall. If you use a third-party antivirus, check that it is not blocking the game or the Vanguard service. Adding them to the exceptions list can help fix the connection error. Finally, verify your Valorant game files. Open the Riot Games launcher and click on your profile. Go to Settings, then select the Valorant tab. Click on the Repair option. This will check all the game files and fix any that are missing or corrupted. Following these steps should solve the VAN6 error and let you play Valorant normally. Thanks for watching.